You know, wrapping Christmas lights up in these branches can get kind of tight and difficult. There's a lot of branches and there's not much space. I have a great trick for wrapping Christmas lights, of course brought to you by the great product Speedwrapper. Come on, let's go check it out in the garage. All right, I'm here in the garage and I'm working with Speedwrapper. Speedwrapper is known for being able to wrap 3 Christmas light strands at one time. You kind of can see here how usually Speedwrapper works, right? We have our adapter and our 3 strands connected. But as I mentioned, working up in the branches can get difficult, right? This is a big strand for a small branch. I want to show you a little trick we've developed here at the Speedwrapper Studios. And it's to take this 3-strand adapter and to get out your handy wire cutters here and simply just snip, and now you have a 2-strand adapter. And let me show you how this can then be applied. Using the same Speedwrapper method, right, we have our 2-strand adapters now. Instead of 3 strands, it's 2 strands. And this allows you to get in those tight branches, in those tight spaces. And also, still great, the Speedwrapper light roller, the flexible tube that holds your lights, still works just as well, right? The 2-strand adapter still fits in there. It can still be stored. It can still be wrapped. But instead of 3 strands, it's 2. Instead of big trunks, working in tight areas. Speedwrapper is a superior Christmas light wrapping product because not only can you wrap the 3 strands with big trunks, you can wrap 2 strands with tight branches. Again, 2 strands at once, 3 strands at once. No longer are we doing 1 strand at a time. Wrap your Christmas lights 60% faster. Easy, simple. We have the solutions for you here at Speedwrapper. You can find out more at speedwrapper.com or find us more on YouTube, more videos on how Speedwrapper can save you time and money this Christmas season.